Hello and welcome, Scorpio. This reading is for you for the month of November 2023. So let's see what we have for Scorpio. The month of November. The cards just jumping out. Okay, Scorpio, so we have a Justice card. Justice card is a card of love of attraction. Also, this card is about balance. You need to find balance in your life. At the same time, this card can suggest something do with legal stuff. Maybe you're gonna be signing some legal documents. Maybe you have some legal process. Maybe you're gonna sign some some contract. Some contract to start a new business. Maybe a contract to get a new house. So anything, any legal documents can be signed in this month of November for you. Or maybe you have to pay some ticket for your speeding. You never know, right? This card about communication and card about balance. So who can be, like good communicator? Maybe, and the same we have a legal documents. Maybe you're gonna go and buy a new car for yourself. You have this salesperson who going to be speaking a lot and try to sell you the cars, and then you're gonna sign some legal documents. You're gonna get a new car, right? So this one option for you. So it's not a bad card. It's not a conflict. Something interesting also. And then we have a 8 of Wands. So it's mean all difficulties, all obstacles now removed. That's it. You finish all your hard work. You're done with all your, this situation you had. And now all your goals and everything come together smoothly for you. Do what you love to do and move forward. Also, this card can suggest you for a travel overseas somewhere. A lot of moments at your job and career. So now it's just like a perfect and lucky time to move forward in any area of your life. All obstacles removed, as I said already, and now it's just time to move forward, to travel, expanding overseas, and just enjoy your life. And we have a 10 of Pentacles. This competition of the suit of Pentacles. Pentacles, it's a finance, it's a money, it's a big and positive sign for financial stability for you. It is very comfortable and secure environment. So this is the card in November. You're gonna have this place where you're gonna feel yourself comfortable, where you're gonna feel yourself very secure about your finance, about the money, if you're talking about your relationship, about your family. So now it's the time when you just feel yourself happy and secure about your finances in your family, and you're just enjoying your life. What else we can say? A lot of rewards. You might have a lot of rewards come to into your way from your work or for your business. Good opportunities to invest Maybe you can purchase more assets. Just very, very positive card related to your finance and money. So let's see. Let's see what legal documents you're going to be signing. Just find your balance. All obstacles is removed. Now it's the time to move forward, and you just have just a very happy and stable time related to your finance. Okay, let's see the message from your angel for November. Clear your vibes. Clear your energy. This is your message. You are being guided to clear your life of any harsh, negative, or challenging energy. It's time to make way for positive energy in your life. And the only way you can do this by clearing your aura, body, and energy. That's your reading, Scorpio, for the month of November 2023. Please come back after November and let me know how was your month. Always interesting.